show you how we install the concrete pillars in the boundary line. First, we the line showing where the wall will go and continuing. Then these concrete pillars have three different pieces. It's this one and the other one in coming on top, and a cap on top of it. Then we're going through what we did. Because we're working around the we have two pillars around the entrance there, and we fixed two pillars, one here, another one in the next to it, as the same level of the stairs. The first one, as you can see, and then level it and continuing the line to the boundary. This part I checked by the laser level. It was level from that side and this one. That's mean all the fence going straight and in one line and one level to that part. We have another gate in front of the office entrance. We need two pillars there, and also we have a double gate here, two pillars there as well. So we mix concrete, not too wet, a bit dry. This is a heavy concrete blocks sitting on top. Adding some water, mixing, and then we continuing and leveling to the end. The size of the fence between them is 2.4, but they have some off the post, and we measure 225 from this line to the edge of the other one, and then it's 2.4 fitted in the between the pillars. So we're continuing for that as the same line, but for the next part we have a slope going that way, and then we have to check it how many panel we have, and then sit down each of the panels, a step down to reach the corners. Morning. So this is the first one in the edge and the line of the boundary. We have two pillars here, one and another one, and gate will be installed between for the entrance of the house. The pillars is a custom made pillars from the box hill. We ordered it, it's 1,000 each, and then we install it on the concrete base. This is a line for the first one because it's the same line, same level, that one and the last one. Then I run a line, I can see where is the level for it. Some of them like that need a bit digging, and then we touch the line and level it in two directions, that direction and the other one as well, to be a perfect, because it's sitting on top. I mean, if not in a level, it's going off. opening part in that side. Because it's a close in the garden, we need to follow up the water coming all through and going out from the gate area, gate side. So guys, we installed the first pillar. Is a 3 pieces. One is sitting on the concrete, level it, and it's set. Then we add the next one by the liquid nail on top, and the other one and the cap on top of it. There is 2 pieces we working together to move in and level it when we install it. If the first part is level, it's easy just to glue on top of it by the liquid nail. Morning guys, today I like to show you how we can install the fence, a steel fence between the concrete pillars. We install it later like that. I'm thinking it's an easy part. Need to measure where is the clip and then make a screws by the screwdrivers and then use the roll plugs as a measure it to the top and the bottom side of the fence, and I measure it inside, and then I know what is going on in all these 8 pillars. And same as the others, just put the marks and use the, let's show you if I have one clips in my pocket. Yeah, this one. The bottom side is going like that, and screw it there, and the top side is like this way. Then I put it first in the side, then we install and move the fence and screw it there. I'll show you later. So guys, as you can see, the fence installed between the pillars. It's a concrete pillars and screwed by the plastic roll plugs into the post. Looks good. And close the area. I need to install 2 posts here, 2 pillars next to the gate post.